Hello students, today I am starting this new chapter number 7, Outcomes of Democracy. This is the last chapter of our civics book. So what are the outcomes of democracy? In this chapter we will discuss about the outcomes of democracy. So how do we assess democracy outcomes? First of all, we will see what is democracy. Democracy means implies rules by the people. Democracy implies rules by the people. In a democratic setup, every citizen has the right to take part in the decision making process through their votes. When we give votes to any political party, and from that party one person became the head of uh, the committee, so their vote, we will engage, or we will take part in decision making process through our votes. Compared with dictatorship, democracy is a better form of government because it promotes equality among citizens, enhances the dignity of the individual, and it improves the quality of decision making. Democracy is more beneficial as compared to dictatorship. It is based on the idea of negotiation and deliberation. Therefore, its decisions are more effective and acceptable to the people. A democratic government is attentive to the needs and demands of the people of the country and is largely free of corruption. Well, this is not true. And it is a legitimate government. So it promotes equality, enhances the dignity. All these comes under the democracy. Now, main point is how we can assess the democratic outcomes. We can assess the outcomes of democracy by checking its political outcomes, economic outcomes, through economic growth and development of the country. By checking economic growth and development of the country, we can say economic outcomes. Then social outcomes. These are the main points of. Here is the economic outcomes. Then first we will take the political outcomes. What are political outcomes of the democracy? So an accountable, responsive and legitimate government is a political outcome of democracy, because in democracy we can make our own government through giving our votes. It is a government that is answerable to the citizens. जो गवर्नमेंट बनती है वो सिटीजन्स के लिए आंसरेबल मीन्स उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहती है फॉर सिटीजन्स. इट मेक्स डिसीजंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड्स एंड एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑफ द countrymen. As it makes these decisions on behalf of the people, it is their responsibility to follow procedures, and if there is any mistakes, then they have to rectify also. So transparency in decision making is another important trait of the democratic government. Transparency in decision making. It is easy for the citizens to see what actions are being taken while making decisions. To facilitate transparency, the Government of India introduced the Right to Information Act, through which any citizen can ask for details relating to public policy and government actions. This is Right to Information Act. So every citizen has a right to get information about public policies and government actions. Finally, a democratic government is a legitimate government where all the laws of the country are equally applicable to all the citizens and people. All the citizens and people are governed without favor or fear.